This herb is the favorite of Dr. Sebi. He used this herb for a wide range of diseases and ailments, including digestive issues, excess mucus, thyroid hormone issues, and even prevention of cancers. The reason this herb is so effective is because of its extremely high mineral and vitamin content. This herb is far more potent than any supplement or pill, and is also completely natural, coming straight from the ocean. This herb I am talking about is sea moss. Sea moss contains 92 of the 104 vital minerals that the body needs to function efficiently. Sea moss is known to improve testosterone, boost immune function, improve energy, and even reduce joint pain and inflammation. To get the best results, make sure you get sea moss that is derived straight from the earth and not grown in a pool. The real wild-crafted sea moss heals the body, whereas the pool-grown does the opposite. If you want the real high-quality sea moss, click the link in bio for our 100% organic wild-crafted Irish sea moss. We have a limited supply, get it before it's gone. Follow Divine Herbal Roots for more daily tips about real health.